So what's going on? The market is red. However, there's few stocks is jumping. Even though the market is going down, those stocks is going up and the other direction of the market. Let's get right to it and discuss those stocks that have potential to jump even in bearish market. So first stock that we're going to talk about is ADTX. So as you can see from our video on Patreon, we discussed this stock ADTX 7 hours ago. We said when the market open, we need to hold the 0.19 cent in order to take the profit around the 0.25 cents. If we go in our chart, we see that the price jumped even over our profit taking from the 0.1979 until the 0.31, over the 58% up. Even though the market is down, this stock is heavily traded today because the market maker bought this stock. So what's the game plan for this stock? Are we gonna have another jump? Of course, if we hold this current support now above the 0.25 cent. You see here we have a bit of a drawback. However, now at the moment we have 15-minute candle, try to close above this area, and here we're gonna get another explosion for this stock to go at least around the 0.33 cent. So I will be watching for this stock. Next up we have AVYA. This one as well is have a potential get in a bull run. As everybody knows, this is heavily talked about in Reddit. We already jumped from the 0.67 cent until the $2.23, 200% the list. AVYA, we see it is in the 5th place. Have mentioned so many times in the last 24 hours and subreddit short squeeze stocks. That's why AVYA is still heavily talked about it, and a lot of people trading this stock. And this is good for trading any stock, the volatility and momentum. Because if the stock is not having those two things, it's not good to day trade or swing trade. So this one is heavily traded today. The volume is around the 11. You see it here, 11 million, and it's still picking up the momentum. Average volume is 21 million. So what we should expect today, we have bounce for our EMA and still holding above the $1.63 support. The next profit taking, potential profit taking, if we held this support $1.63, we're gonna get the $2.66. Let me just calculate how much we can make for this trade. 45% for this stock, and the ultimate profit taken I can see for this stock is around $3.90. So watch out for AVYA, still stronger from the technical. prty, party, still having a party, and the party is not over for this stock. You know why? Because we're still holding this ascending line, and any price holding above this ascending line, or to be exact above the $2.18, we're gonna get explosion again for prty as well. Is on the number 4 on the shortest squeeze stock on Reddit. That's why it's still bumping and still in bullish momentum. So as you can look here, we have a huge wick for today, and the price went up because we test our AMA. So still there's a big buying pressure from below, and this is what will give us a confirmation for the price is still continue to go higher toward the $3 squeeze target. After that, we're gonna get the $3.60 and the $4.95. Make sure to take always profit on the way. Profit is a profit, okay? The next one we have to talk about Tesla, because something strange happened. We went down almost 4% today, and for Nvidia we went almost 8% down around the current support, the 134. What's going on? Even Apple went down heavily, 4% or 5%, and we closed below the support. SPY is still holding this current support, which is above the 380, as we said before. For the SPY, if we want to enter a bullish run, is over the 429. We got rejected there around the 16th of August. Now we still hovering between two level important level. So we're not in bullish momentum, and we're not in bearish momentum yet. Below the 380 is a bearish for me, and above the 430 is bullish. So now we have to consolidate before we confirm the direction of the market for sure. However, if we go to Tesla is still holding the 280 and above this ascending line. So even with the drawback today, still there's a potential for Tesla to go over the 313. And this is give us confirmation that the short seller is came heavily today, because Tesla were closing in around the 313. As we spoke about it before, will be the squeeze area. So this is the last chance for the short seller to go heavily on Tesla and short the stock before we have a squeeze. So any price hold above this level, we're gonna get the squeeze for Tesla around the 380, and we might have the all-time high for the 400 for this year if we broke the 313. If you want to load up on Tesla and the AMC and the other blue chip company, you can on Momo, because now there's some exclusive. You can get up to 10 free stocks, and those stocks is AZO, AMC, Apple, Tesla, Me, and DKNG. And how you can get those free stocks is pretty simple. You open an account, then you deposit $100 in order to get one free stock value between $8 up to $2,000. So what you waiting for? Get your free stocks with my exclusive link in comment section below. A notification will pop up here, will get you to open your account with Momo. Tell me, are we entering now a bearish market, or is still the bull in control and we're gonna have a reversal? As we discussed from the SPY, is still holding above the 380. There's a still fighting chance. I will do update daily for the market, for crypto and stocks. So hit the notification and like button so you never miss any of my future update, and see you in the next video.